Hello everybody and welcome back to Lola's Drawing Studio. Today we will be drawing this love heart-eyed emoji. First we're going to draw, this is going to be the easiest bit, and all we have to do is draw a big circle. And it doesn't matter what size you do it, it just has to be a circle, not really an oval. Next we'll draw the eyes. So we go about a quarter left up and we draw two dots like that. And then that's the inside of our love heart. We just draw a big loop and a round, kind of like an upside down J. And we do it on the other side. And we do the same on this side. And you can draw different style love hearts like these ones with the dints in them. Now we're going to draw the mouth. This is going to be a really quick video. So we do a line across and then we come down into a semicircle. Like that. And we're done. So that was easy. Now it's time to colour. Thank you for watching Lola's Drawing Studio. I hope you liked this and remember to like and subscribe. Remember, about this corner of your screen, there'll be a circle. Here, I'll draw it for you. About a circle. Oh, no, I'll draw it bigger. A circle and a dot like that in your corner up there. Remember, there'll be about 2 polls or 1 asking you questions and you've got to answer them, and also recommendations for other videos. I hope you keep watching my videos and I'm really grateful if you watch them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!